Hello, it's Stevie Wonder, and sorry I wasn't in the last video. I got a new gun. Yeah, but whoa, yeah. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so I'm sorry that. Well, this video was about to. This video was supposed to be about my painted black Nerf gun, but I don't know where it is. Okay, and this is the new gun I bought. It's not a Nerf gun, but it's just as good. And it's a rifle, and this gun's awesome because it shoots far and the shells pop out. I'm gonna demonstrate the shot. Here you go. Ready, and there you go. And then you just go like this. The shell flies out. Okay. And that's my new gun. And please subscribe. Thank you, and